And next we have your bridesmaids and groomsmen. First we have Essence Fuerte and Jason Castaneda. And next you have Jackie Atos and Marvin Molina. And next we have Christine Gonzalez and Brent Camps. And next we have Charlene Estevez and Troy Parker. And now we have Kara Adan and Solomon Sung.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow lemonade, yellow top missing. Yeah, this look like the two.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have Veronica Nicosia and Camille Garcia-Torena and Eddie Garcia. And next we have your maid of honor and best man, Geraldine Atos Ventura and Nelson Ariz Villahermosa. Are you guys ready to see the Newlyweds? Make some noise. That's right. And it's my pleasure to introduce to you guys your bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. T. and Joycelyn Castaneda. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have the first dance of the bride and groom. So you clear the dance floor. We're going to do that right now.